Double-hung window installation in Salt Lake City is a popular choice for homeowners seeking both style and functionality. Our professional window installers in Utah specialize in providing top-notch double-hung windows Salt Lake City styles that enhance the aesthetic appeal of any home. With a focus on quality window materials, we ensure that each installation meets the highest standards of durability and performance. Energy-efficient windows in Utah are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our window replacement services in Salt Lake City offer a range of insulated window options designed to keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. By choosing energy-efficient windows, you can enjoy significant savings on your energy bills while contributing to a greener environment. Custom window solutions in Salt Lake City provide homeowners with the flexibility to design windows that perfectly match their unique style and needs. Our window design consultation services help you select the best window hardware options and double-hung window features to complement your home's architecture. Whether you prefer vinyl double-hung windows Salt Lake City or another material, we have the expertise to bring your vision to life. Window replacement experts in Salt Lake City are ready to address any issues you may encounter with your windows. From window glass replacement to window frame replacement, our residential window services in Utah cover all aspects of window maintenance. We understand the importance of keeping your windows in top condition to ensure their longevity and performance. Affordable window options in Salt Lake City make it easy for homeowners to upgrade their windows without breaking the bank. Our home window upgrades include a variety of double-hung window benefits, such as improved ventilation and ease of cleaning. With our competitive pricing and quality window materials, you can enjoy the best value for your investment. Professional window installers in Utah are committed to delivering exceptional service and craftsmanship. Our window installation experts in Salt Lake City provide a comprehensive window measurement service to ensure a perfect fit for your new windows. With a window installation warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. Double-hung window efficiency in Salt Lake City is a key consideration for homeowners looking to enhance their home's energy performance. Our insulated windows in Salt Lake City are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home comfortable year-round. By choosing double-hung window installation in Salt Lake City, you can enjoy the benefits of improved energy efficiency and reduced utility costs. Window maintenance services in Salt Lake City are essential for preserving the appearance and functionality of your windows. Our window sealing services help prevent drafts and moisture infiltration, ensuring that your windows remain in excellent condition. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your windows and enhance their performance. Salt Lake City window replacement is a smart investment for homeowners looking to improve their property's value and curb appeal. Our custom double-hung windows Salt Lake City are tailored to meet your specific needs and preferences. With a wide range of double-hung window styles Utah residents love, we can help you achieve the perfect look for your home.